Hi guys, I'm Melanie Leslie and I chose to do my thematic unit on bears and it's for kindergarten. And here's the front of my cover, the front cover, and it's a little polar bear just kind of sticking out. And here's my webbed graph. Science, living, non-living, math, sequencing, counting, English language art, handwriting, listening skills, and identify words and text. Theatrical, acting out stories, art, drawing, painting, model clay, and Play-Doh. In literature, Goldie and the Three Bears, Brown Bear, What Do You See? National Geographic Encyclopedia of Animals, Baby Bear, What Do You See? The Polar Bear, DK Eyewitness Books, Mammals, The Greatest Animal Search, Bear Snores On, Going on a Bear Hunt. And I'm going to show y'all a few of my lesson plans. This one is So Many Bears, and it's to introduce the students to the different bears and be able to identify the bears, and also to know whether or not identify living and non-living bears. And I also used some really cute YouTube videos on this one to help the kids just be more interested in the bears. And a few of them were Sleepy Bear Can't Stay Awake. That was really cute. Sneezing Baby Panda, and Mother Polar Bear and Cubs emerge from their den. That was real neat. And we move on to another one now. Brown Bear Vocabulary. I love Brown Bear. The purpose of this lesson is so that the students learn of new vocabulary words from the story, but also more specifically, like the colors blue, red, the different colors of the animals in the story. So what I'm going to do in this lesson is I'm going to read the book to the students. Then I'm going to go over the different colors, and then I'm going to actually hand the students out different pieces of paper that have the words on them of the different animals. And I'm going to read the story again, and they're going to know that when I read the story, because I'm going to tell them that when I get to their color, the one that they have written on their piece of paper, that they're going to have to hold their piece of paper up in the air. And when we're done doing all that, then the students are going to go back to their desk, and I'm going to give them paper, and they're going to draw whichever animal they like the most out of the story, and they're going to write the word, whichever color of that animal, like the brown bear is brown, they're going to write brown underneath it. And then when everyone's done, we're going to get back together and the kids are going to present their animal that they drew to the class. And let's see. Another one, this was a new book to me, but I really like it. It's called Goldie's Adventure, and it's like a newer version of Goldilocks and the Three Bears. And it's really cute. And I'm going to use this lesson to teach sequencing and counting, the sequencing of events. And I felt like counting could be used also as like, okay, so we did sequence of events. How many events were there? Were there 3? Were there 4? Were there 2? So, anyway, I'm going to move on back here, and I just have a list of my literature back here in the back. And I read basically all of those to y'all, but I also have audiobooks for the listening center I put in here. And I'll just list those for y'all. It was Corduroy, A Pocket for Corduroy, The Bear's Toothache, and Panda Bear, What Do You See? Let's see, I'll move on. And also went ahead and in the back, even though the instructional activities are in my lessons, I went ahead and listed them on this page so that you can see them broke down. And I also added a couple additional activities. One would be for a lesson for Baby Bear, What Do You See? And using the letter B, practice writing the letter B. And going on a bear hunt, I would do a class activity. The class will go on a bear hunt outside, acting out the story while they're walking around outside. I think the kids would really love that. I think that's another great book to get the kids involved. Let's see. My references are on here. I use google.com, Hot Chalk lesson plans page. Making Learning Fun is a great website, and teachingheart.net. Now here's some of my printable activities that I made. And this one I did make this. Living, non-living. This is going to be the page that they're going to take and use to glue all of these pieces on. They're going to cut these out, determine if they're living or non-living, and glue them on there. Another activity is a bear matchup. There's the pictures of the bears. They're going to have to identify which type of bear that it is. Like that's a polar bear, so they're going to have to write polar bear. Panda bear, they're going to have to write panda bear. And we'll have these on the board as well, because kindergarten, that's going to obviously be hard for some of them to know how to write polar bear. But those words will also be on the board for them. And this is the page that goes with it. It tells them to cut out and glue the pictures to the matching bears. Label each bear with the correct name. So they're going to cut out these pictures, glue them on the matching bear, and then write the names. And this one right here is called Brown Bear Clank Can. But I'm probably not going to, it suggested using the lids to like the apple juice, but to me that's going to be really loud in the classroom. So I'm probably just going to cut out circles of cardboard circles, glue these individual pieces on them, and then this will go on the front of the can. And these are the actual words that are their colors. So they'll have to match the word to the picture, the right picture, like brown bear goes with the word brown. And they'll match those up, and then they can put them in the can and shake it up. And that's just a fun activity for them. Color the bears. This one, the students are going to actually color whatever the bears, the color it tells them. Like this one says blue, they'll color it blue or red, whatever. And I'm going to give the students gummy bears, and they're going to sort the gummy bears by colors. And when they've got them all sorted, then they're going to actually count the bears. And so if there's 8 blue bears, then they'll write the number 8 there. And right here, B is for bear. They're going to practice writing their letter B's. And that is Mathematic Unit. I hope y'all enjoyed it.